Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today I am in Pennsauken, New Jersey at Montegrillo's. Let's go see what's cooking up.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday a new show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
How you doing? Welcome to Montegrillo's. What can I get for you? Dominic, thanks for having me.
Anytime. When my dad came here from Italy, he used to sail all around the world. And they used to deliver and they used to pick up goods from everywhere, like everywhere. And he did that for over 30 years. And then
So what did he do in Italy?
he just basically sailed all around the world. That was his job, and he cooked on the ships and all that. He used to deliver all types of goods everywhere.
Oh, okay,
so it was like,
okay.
and they would pick stuff up. And like after all those times of him doing it, like one time the ship sunk and he was treading water in the middle of the night.
Really?
So another ship
How did the
happened to
ship
come.
sink? Did he tell you?
I don't remember what they hit. They must have hit something.
Iceberg, right ahead!
He was
So
trying to
treading
go back.
water for how long?
It was a while.
I've been shark bait.
I would have gave up.
God bless him. So after
He tried to go back, but he kept getting seasick. And then it was like a few weeks, and he's like, I got to do something else. So my uncle was here, so he decided to come here too.
and what about here in Pennsauken? Or
First stop was in Brooklyn.
Brooklyn?
Yeah, Brooklyn, New York, and then after that, we came down here.
Now, does your dad usually work, or now is he retired?
Yeah, he's retired. He still comes down, raises some hell, has some fun with everybody.
Breaks your stones,
Yeah,
makes
that's
sure
it.
you're doing things the right way?
Yeah, always. That's it. He's got to have some fun. I mean, he had me making pizzas when I was 11.
Oh, nice. Hey, you make it go, you spin it around like
A
that?
little bit, yeah. I like our big sellers, chicken parm.
Okay.
And my dad makes the homemade gnocchis over here.
Homemade gnocchis, your
You
father?
can get it with any kind of pasta you want, though. Doesn't have to just be.
But you gotta get the gnocchis.
Yes.
You gotta get the gnocchis, the homemade,
Try all
your
sorts of
father's. What else we got here?
There's the homemade manicotti he makes with the ricotta and mozzarella. That's shrimp and broccoli, the crab meat, the vodka sauce.
Okay. What's your favorite?
My favorite? I'm a chicken franchise kind of guy. That's it. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Out of these three right here, I mean, the homemade pastas are the best. The homemade cheese manicottis, the homemade gnocchis. But as far as the most popular, the chicken parm and the vodka sauces are our biggest sellers.
So does your father come in to make the
Yeah, most of the time,
pasta
yeah. We love it at home too. I mean, yeah, he ships them up over here.
dough? I love
It's nice, that.
pasta's
It's nice and
nice.
soft.
You gotta try one of daddy's gnocchis, huh?
Those are nice and soft.
Oh my god.
Those are nice and soft.
These potato?
Yeah.
Oh guys, you gotta get this. Ooh,
That totally melts in your mouth right there.
that is good. That is really good. So what's your biggest pizza that you like to make? There was one you were making with broccoli up front and sausage.
White pizza.
That was so good.
That's a good one.
Even if I tried it, you let me try it. It's really good.
Grandma pizza, we make a ton of those too.
With cheese on the bottom,
Yeah.
sauce on the top. Oh,
Yeah, we
old
mix
school.
it, yeah, we mix it with our like little garlic sticks we make.
So this is the regular size of your dishes?
Yeah. That's it. Everybody's always taking food
And
home.
your prices aren't that bad.
No,
Prices are very reasonable.
not for what you get.
I mean, come on, look at this chicken farm. Look how big that chicken farm is. Huh? You see the lump of the crabs?
We prep everything here. We make our own calamari. We make, we get it in fresh. We get all the
it in
dirty.
fresh?
Yeah, it comes in all dirty. We clean it. We do it all here.
You know a guy.
Yeah.
Everybody's got that.
Yeah, we go.
Nice.
a ton.
So it comes in with the head and all,
Everything.
pull it,
It's all black.
Take it out, you take all that out.
We separate the heads and then we cut the rings.
I gotta tell you, usually a pizza place, I got a rule. You don't get no pasta from them, and you don't get hoagies. That's it.
That's it.
You know what I mean?
We sell a ton of hoagie trays in here too.
Hoagies?
Yeah, we sell a ton of hoagie
I
trays.
got hoagies too.
Yeah, we do it all. Cheesesteaks, everything.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, I've come here for everything. Not to say pizza is an Italian, but for Italian dishes. I mean, I did come here for Italian.
Yeah.
The gypsy, guys, get the gypsy. It's amazing. That's olives, the artichoke hearts, mushrooms, the
marinara sauce.
in there, forget about it. Oh, awesome.
Gives a little bit of flavor all around.
Chicken parm spot on. The gnocchis, forget about it. Hands down, probably the best I ever had. Food for days. I mean, you buy a dinner, you take some home, you have it for lunch for the next 2 days.
Yes. That's the goal. That's the goal.
So this, again,
nobody leaves on me.
Great job on the food. Love the story. Tell your dad we said hello. And
we'll be looking for you.
don't take it the wrong way. Clean this boat set.
It worked out. It worked out.
Beautiful food. I never would have met you. Guys, with that being said, if you saw a kid like it's fine. Don't forget to turn on that notification button so you get notified every time I put out a video. Also, check us out on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok and like us on Facebook. Check my guys out, BillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the four fathers in the band. With that being said, I'm ready to go. These gotta get back to work. Should we tell them?
Yes.
Let's tell them.
Yes.
Until next time. Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.